Want to reset Roblox password? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily reset the password of Roblox. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Roblox. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged in. Once you have been logged in, head over to More. Scroll all the way down and move into Settings of a device. Inside Settings, head over to Account Information at the very top of the page. In this page, you will be able to see all of your informations. Right beside the password, you will be able to see this icon. Tap on it. Now you will be able to reset your password. First thing first, enter the current password. After that, create a new password. For the confirmation, re-enter the new password and then tap on Change. After that, your password will be reset and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.